Hello viewers, now we will show you how to withdraw money from ATM booth using your ATM card at Bangkok airport. After collecting our luggage, we were looking for an ATM booth in that area. Yes, there we can see one ATM booth, that green color one is the ATM booth that we are looking for. Let's see how to withdraw money. Let's go toward it. Okay, we are going. We were confused which one is the ATM booth to collect the money. I think that is the one. The first one is the ATM booth that we were looking for. The first task is to insert the card. So we will just go for it. So we are trying to insert the card in the booth. Yeah, I inserted the card first. That is the first task. And then we have to enter the PIN code. And after we are done with that, we have to decide how much amount we have to withdraw. I needed 20,000 baht, so I have selected 20,000, that option. So I pressed the button and this page appeared where you have to pay 220 baht for the transaction fee. So you have to continue with this transaction and you have to accept, you have to press the accept button. And after that, this page will appear where you have to take the receipt and the money. So I collected the receipt and the money first, then immediately we have collected the card. So don't do any delay for collecting the card or else it will go inside instantly. So you have to make sure you collect the card immediately. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you.